Hi guys, welcome back to Global Scout channel. Today's video is we are working on the 2018 Toyota Highlander. It's a V6. It's an XLE trip model. I thrown a check engine code, so I took it to the local shop for a diagnostic. The code was p0441, and that's indicating to their scanner it's the Purge EVAP solenoid. I'm going to list the part number on the comment section below, just if you guys wanted to order the same one. And then let's go and start the process. It's very simple and easy. It will take you less than 5 minutes. Let's go. Parts that we need to do this job: a screwdriver, or if you do have an impact you can use it, and a little tool like this. Let's go. Alright guys, so less than 5 minutes, the job is done. This one is replaced. I'm gonna go ahead, turn on the car and see if the check engine is gone. Let's go. Alright, the problem is solved. Alright guys, so the problem is solved. If you guys find this video is very helpful to you guys, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. I always upload videos that will help you guys and help me too at the same time. So don't forget to click a thumbs up. Let's go.